iOS 18 CarPlay tip for cars with faded touchscreens. I'll show you how to turn up the saturation when you install iOS 18, which is due to be released in September. Especially useful for Jaguar XK, XKR, XF, XE, as well as Land Rover models that have had retro-fitted CarPlay added. Any car with aftermarket CarPlay kits retrofitted to the original restrictive touchscreens will likely have faded and low-intensity screen colours. And this is how to fix it. Go to Settings, select Accessibility, turn on the blue-yellow filter. Now you can control the saturation intensity from low, medium or high. And this is a great tip to bring back a bit more life to those faded screens. And just as an explanation, there are two types of touchscreens, resistive and capacitive. Resistive screens, mostly on older cars, requires pressure to be able to manipulate the screen. Capacitive screens, that's PCAP, are on mobile phones and newer cars, having a conductive layer under the glass that's sensitive to the electrical properties of the human body. So this allows for easier movement of the screen and those pinching actions that allow you to change the size of what you're viewing on the screen.